Good morning, students. This is your database management systems laboratory. In DBMS totally we have 10 experiments. Our first exercise is data definition commands, data manipulation commands for inserting, deleting, updating and retrieving tables, and transaction control statements. Let's see the first exercise. Data definition commands, that means DDL command, data manipulation command DML, and transaction control statements. In DDL command, for creating a DDL commands include creating a table. So for creating a table, the syntax is this one. This is the syntax for creating a table, and these are the data types that are used for creating the table. And the second DDL command is alter command. The alter command is used for more purposes, adding a new column, adding multiple new columns, then modify an existing column, then dropping a column and rename a column. For more purposes, we are using a alter command. And the third DDL command is truncate command. The truncate command is used for remove all records from a table, but the command will not destroy the table's structure. So the content of a table alone removed, but the structure of a table is not removed in truncate command. The syntax for truncate command is truncate table, then table name. Then the fourth DDL command is drop command. The drop command is completely removes a table from the database. So this will destroy the structure of a data also. And the syntax for the drop command is drop table, then give the table name. The last DDL command is rename a query. That one is used to give a new name for the existing table. So for that the syntax is rename table, then old name to new name. Now start the execution. For executing these commands, open the Oracle database. Okay. Here I am using Oracle 11G. So open the run SQL command line. So first you connect the give a connection command, put CONN. It will ask enter username. So type the username as system and enter the password. Type the password as you given it in the time of installation. I gave the password and it's now connected. Now you can create a table. So our first command is create a table. So for that this is the syntax. So create table, table name. So now I am going to create a table. So for that the syntax is create table, then type the table name as student, then open brace, first student ID, so SID, then the ID, the data type of the ID is number, so number of 5, then S name, it's a character data type, so put varchar 2, then the third column is age column, so it's a number, so I create a table with 3 columns, SID, name and age. Okay, now it shows the table is created. The second DDL command is alter command. Before going to alter command, we just describe the table. So the describe tables, here the syntax is DESE and the table name is student here. So the describe command shows the columns that are present in a table. In student table we have 3 columns: SID, SName and age. Okay. Then our second DDL command is alter command. So alter command is used for adding a new column, adding multiple columns. Now we are going to add a new column into the student table. For that, write the syntax alter table. Then the table name is here student. Then I am going to add a new column, the name address. Okay. So put the column name as before that you write add. After that put column name address. Then the data type of that address is varchar2. Okay, that's all. Okay, then enter. So now the table is altered. So once again you describe the table. So in description the new column address is also added. Okay, then the next DDL command is truncate command, drop command, and one more is rename command. So we will see the truncate and drop at last. Before that, just see the rename query. The syntax for rename is rename table old table name to new table name. So put rename, and here the table name is student. So type student, then to new name is stud, take stud. Okay, so now the table is renamed. So now describe student means it shows object description not exist. So put DESESTUD. Okay, so it shows all the columns in the particular database. Now the table is renamed. Then the next DDL command is truncate command. So it removes all records from the table. So here the syntax is truncate table, then table name. So put truncate table, then here the table name is STUD. Okay. So table is truncated. Okay. So now you describe the table. So DESE student. So it shows the columns. Okay. So it doesn't remove the structure of a table. Okay. Then the last command, that means the next TDL command is drop command. So this drop command completely removes the table from the database. Okay, and that means the structure of the data, that means the structure of the table also destroyed here. The syntax is drop table, table name. So put drop table, then table name is STUD. Okay, so here table drop now. So now you describe the table. So it shows object student does not exist. So it's completely remove the structure of a table. That means the database. Okay. So these are the DDL commands. Create a table, alter a table, rename a table, drop and truncate a table. Now we will move to the next command, DML command. So the DML command includes insert command, then delete command, update command. Okay, update SQL commands. The last DML command is delete command. Okay. So first now we'll see the insert command for inserting the elements into the table. First you create a table. So use the create table command. Create table. Here the table name is student. Then it includes the columns SID, student ID, student name and age. Okay. So student name is worker 2 and third column name is age. It having age is a number data type. Okay. So create a table. Then now we are going to insert a row into the table. For that use the command insert into, then table name. Here the table name is student, then put values. After that use this method ampersand, then column name. If it is a worker, put the ampersand and the column name in a single quotes. So here the name is a worker data type, so put it in a quotation. Then age is a number data type, so just write ampersand age. Okay, then it will automatically ask enter the value for SID, so put 1, then enter the values name, then age. After that it shows one row created. Okay, then use the arrow key and type the same command. Okay, so now the second row is inserted. Okay, likewise you can insert more values. So I insert a third value into the table. Okay, Kishore, then here age is 32. Okay, so now we insert the elements into the table. Then you have to show the table by using the table will be displayed by using the command select. Okay, so the here the command is select star from then the table name. So star indicate it will includes all the columns. Okay, star indicate the all the columns in the table. Then the next command is next DML command is update command. That update command is used to update the values. Here the syntax is update, then the table name set, then the condition. Okay, so now we are going to update a value where SID equal to 2. Okay, that means we will update the value of age of Arul to another one value. Okay, for that the syntax is first you write update, then here the table name is student, then put set keyword. After that the condition. Okay, so set write age equal to don't put a s name, write age equal to the actual value 41. This is the updated value. Then write the condition where SID equal to 2. Okay, so now then press enter now. Okay, put semicolon then enter. So now one row updated. After that use the select command. Now the Arul's age is now updated to 41. Okay, the next DML command is delete command. Okay, delete command is used for two purposes. First one is deleting a single row and second one is delete a record, whole record. So for that the command is delete from the table name. So write delete from student. Here the table name is student, then put a condition Okay, now I am going to delete the student ID number 3. Okay, so put SID equal to 3. So one row deleter. Then display the table by using the select command. Here now the number 3 is now deleted. Okay, then after that you delete the whole record by using the command delete table. Then the table name is here student. Okay, is invalid table name, so check it. So here the command is delete from the table name. Okay, so write delete from student, delete from student. Now two rows deleter. Okay, so in student table we already have only two rows, they are all deleter now. Okay, then display the student by using the select command. Now no rows are present now. Okay, and the next command is DCL command, that means transaction control languages command. It includes commit, rollback and save point. Okay, so the commit command is used to permanently save any transaction into the database, and the rollback command, it's used for restore the database that was committed last. Okay, and the save point, that command is used to temporarily save a transaction. Okay, it's used for temporarily saving a transaction. Okay, so now let's see the example by executing one by one. So first describe the student table. DESE student. Okay, so the student table is there. Okay, so now insert the elements into the student table. Okay, by using the insert into student values command one by one. Then insert one more. Then insert. Okay, after inserting the two records I put commit. Okay, the commit command is used to save the records permanently. Okay, so now commit completed. Okay, next insert a value into the table by using a insert command. So SID equal to 2, 3, Kishore, age is 22. So I inserted one more row into the column, into the student table. After that, display the table content by using select command. Then put commit. So the data are permanently stored in the database student. Then perform the update operation on the same table by using the update command. So update student, set age equal to 23, where SID equal to 3. Change the spelling of update. Then put enter. So one row updated now. Now the TCL transaction control language second command is save point. So save point, the command syntax is save point, then put save point no name. So write save point. Then here I put the save point name is A. Okay, now the save point is now completed. Okay, so here A is the save point. So up to the database. It's saved. The content of your database is saved in the save point A. Okay. So after that, after saving the values in save point A, I insert one more element into the same table, student table. Okay. Now I insert one more element here. The name of the student is Danny. So now one row created. After that, put another one save point. Save point. Then the name of the save point is I put S2. Okay. So now the save point is created. Okay. Then after that, after saving the values up to Danny into the database, up to the values Danny, it's saved in the save point S2. Then after that, I insert one more element into the table, student table. So insert into table name values. Okay, insert into table name student. It's missing. Insert into table name values. Table name is student. Then values. Now I insert one name John. Okay. So now one row created. I save the values up to John in up to Jabba in save point C. Okay. So now save point C, that one is completed now. It's creator. So after that, I have here now here I have three save point A, S2 and C. Okay. Now select star from the table name student. Put select star from the table name student. So it shows the element, totally 5 elements are stored. So it's placed in the save point C. Okay. Now I roll back the save point now. Okay. So up to 5 datas are present in save point C. Now I move to the next TCL command, rollback. The syntax for the rollback is rollback to S2, rollback to S2. Okay, now rollback completer. So it's move to the previous state of your previous state of the data. After that, display the student table. So it shows the state up to the save point S2. Then roll back to again type roll back to A. Okay. So now it shows the data up to the save point A. Okay. So now only 3 elements are present in the student table. It's a committed state of the state. It's a committed state of the student table. Okay. So these are the TCL commands in DBMS. So now we had seen DDL, DML and TCL commands in this exercise. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you so much for watching.